누룽지.
옆에다 좀 놔봐봐, 수연아.
맛있어 보여?
그거 어떻게 먹는 건지 네가 좀 해봐봐.
그냥 부셔서 말아 먹거나 아니면 위에다가 국물 끼얹어서 먹. 잘라. 나는 바삭한 걸 좋아하기 때문에 살짝만 담궈서 먹어. 근데 보통은 원래 비벼 먹어.
아, 그런 거야?
나는 찍어 먹지.
아, 요렇게?
근데 오늘 국물이 왜 이렇게 묽지?
좀 흥거네. 그게 보이니까 그러네. 좀 꾸덕꾸덕한 느낌이 아니네. 아, 그렇게 먹는 거야?
Hello, welcome to Chunju Kitchen. There's a city called Andong, one of a popular place for tourists because this place actually have a very famous folk village. You can see the old Korean scenery there. Old building, old scenery, and people actually living in there. So, nowadays when you go to Seoul, many tourists go to Bukchon to see Hanok. But if you go to Andong, you can see different styles of old style Korean houses. And the view, the natural scenery is quite great. Anyway, the reason I mentioned about this city because today's dish is actually came from the city. It's a kind of chicken stew, but not spicy at all, based on soy sauce. So even if you can't take any spiciness, you can enjoy this one. Anyway, I hope you enjoy today's recipe. I already cut off too much fat and some of skins and rinsed and drained. But if you like skin, you can use it all. These are the glass noodles already soaked in the water. And these are the simple vegetables. And these dried chili is optional. And 2 big green onions. I prepared as ingredients as simple as possible. I will show you shortly how to soak the glass noodle in water. It's really nothing, just put it in the water. More than an hour will be enough. But this is not the only way how to use glass noodle. I will prepare the vegetable first. Because this dish is a kind of stew, so cut into big pieces. Green onions, I'm going to cut in 2 different ways. First, chopped like this for the sauce. And the next one as main ingredients, so into big pieces like this. Dried chili is optional, but this is a original recipe, so I'm going to use it. And it's actually not that spicy. Put the chicken in the boiling water to make chicken more clean. You can use the chicken right away without this procedure, but this procedure actually makes stew less greasy. Soon you will see the fat and scums came from the chicken. After taking out the chicken, rinse the chicken with cold water and drain. After drained, I slice the drumstick like this to make the sauce get inside easily. Making sauce for the stew is quite easy. Just mix all the ingredients for sauce and stir well. This is Chinese dark soy sauce for the coloring. Make the stew darker, but if you don't have it, just add roughly half tablespoons of normal soy sauce. I'm going to use 400 milliliters of water in total, but here I'm going to use just half, 200 milliliters water for the sauce. Turn on the stove, put the chicken in the wok, and add the leftover 200 milliliters of water, and pour the sauce in the wok and mix well. From time to time, just put the sauce on the chicken and other ingredients. Just leave it until it started to boil. When it boils, add carrot and potatoes. When these solid vegetables get into the sauce, sunk enough, it actually makes these vegetables cook faster. And put the lid on and leave it until potatoes and carrots cook completely. Well, they are all cooked well, so I'm going to add the onion. And then leave it until the onion gets transparent, slightly like this. Then make room for glass noodles and add the noodles. Cook until the glass noodle gets transparent. When the noodles are cooked like this, you can add green onion you chopped. You can add the dried chili now, but it's quite optional. And the green onion doesn't need to be cooked too much. When green onion cooks slightly like this, that means it's done. You can eat this by itself, but also good with rice. 맛있게 드세요. Well, how was it? This Andong Jjimdak is quite popular in Korea, so there are some, you can see franchise restaurants in any other places. Well, that's why I showed the first footage for letting you know how popular that dish is. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.